find a document on the internet that's technical and got words that I don't understand. Okay, not a problem. It is a problem. Okay, so if you want to look up particular words like Polaroid, right, that one, you can touch it. Normally you copy it down in Google down the bottom here. If I touch that, it'll give me a definition of it. All right, that's all very well for documents where you can actually see the text. However, in certain cases, there's diagrams. For example, this one here, this diagram. On that diagram, right, it's got some words there, right? If I zoom in and look at those words in a little bit more detail, and I try and do a touch on that, I can't highlight it and copy it and do stuff like that because it's an image. It says open image in a new tab, download image, etc. So I just go back with the back button. So I can't do that. So what do? What I can do is I can copy that image or part of that image. In this case, I'm only doing part of it because I've zoomed right in. I'm just pinching with my fingers and zooming right in. And I can copy it, copy a screen dump of it. So do a screen dump, I hold down the on-off button on my phone. This is an Android phone, and the page down key at the volume down key, at the same time. So holding that, the screen will blink, and then it will store that in a particular location on the phone, depending on your phone. If you want to find out where that's stored, I've done another video that shows you where to find screen captures on a phone. All right, once you've done that, then how do I get, why am I screen capturing it? I'm screen capturing it so that I can use another program, and this is the program here, which is called OCR, up at where I've got video made by Jeff, called Text Scan, OCR Text Scan. And what this program does is it normally comes up with my camera, and I can take a photo of something, and whatever the photo is, if there's text in it, it will convert the graphic of the text, the photo, into text. In this case, I don't have to. I've already taken the photo. If I press this button up near the top here, right up there, I press that, it'll go to this screen where I have done a dump, which shows me where I have done the screen capture. So I touch the screen capture, it goes away and processes, and when it finishes, it comes up with the text in a text format of those words. If I now put my finger on one of the words and highlights it and selects it, if I don't highlight it properly, I can move those little green blobs and move it around and say I want to copy it. I'm then going to press the home key, go to my browser, which I've already got running. I could have just gone to the previously used apps and done it that way. I'll do that in a minute. And then I want to have a new tab. I've got other tabs already open. I can open a new tab, or I can slide across to a tab, which I'm going to do at the top here. Oops, it's not going to do that for me. Why is it not doing that? There we are. Where I've already done this once before, but anyway, I'll just get rid of all that. And I just type in the word define, D-E-F-I-N-E, a space, then hold my finger on that particular point there and press paste. I can't do that where I go. I've got it. Paste. Whoops. Unfortunately, I'm covering up that video made by Jeff where it normally would paste. Okay, there it is. I've pasted it in. All right. And it puts in the word, and then I just press the search key and it comes up with the definition of it. Okay, just to show all that again, all right, not all that from once I've translated it. If I press down the bottom here, the button which is the recently used app button, press that, comes up with a text scanner, touch that, go to the next word, touch that, copy it, all right, go to the recently used app button and press it twice. Takes me back to, I don't even have to get back, takes me straight back to the browser that I was using, right? Where I've got defined that there, I just delete that out, right? Hold my finger on it there, and then I press paste, and press it, and it puts that word in there, okay? press the search icon, and there it is, gives me the definition of it. So that's how you can take a graphic, which is like, where was it? Go back to here. Graphic like I had there with those words in it, and convert those words to text so they can copy and paste them into a browser with the word define in front of it and find out what those words mean. All right, got any questions? Send me an email. Cheers.